In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video with pictures and music in CapCut. This process is straightforward and fun, allowing you to create a captivating video with ease. To get started, you'll want to open the CapCut app and initiate a new project. This is your canvas where all the creativity unfolds. Once you have your project open, it's time to bring in your pictures. You'll do this by clicking the plus symbol, which allows you to browse through your photo library. Select the images you want to include in your video. Feel free to mix and match different photos that best tell your story or fit the video's theme. The photos will appear on your timeline in the order you selected, ready for further editing. Now that your pictures are loaded, the next step is arranging them on the timeline. This is an opportunity to get creative and decide the sequence in which your audience will see each image. Simply drag and drop the pictures to reorder them however you like. Think about the flow you want to create. Whether it's chronological or thematic, the sequence should make sense to your narrative. Once your photos are in order, you'll need to consider how long each image should be on screen. You can adjust the duration by clicking and dragging the edges of each photo in the timeline. This step allows you to control the pacing of your video. You might want some images to linger longer for effect, while others may pass quickly to maintain the momentum. Adding music is a crucial element because it sets the tone and mood of your video. Click on the audio button to browse through the available tracks. Choose a piece that complements the visual theme of your video. Once you've selected your track, it'll appear in the timeline beneath your photos. With both visuals and audio in place, syncing becomes essential. Adjust the timeline to ensure the music and images play in harmony. You might need to tweak photo duration slightly to make sure the fit is just right, or trim the audio to match the ending of your video perfectly. For an added touch of professionalism, consider adding transitions between your photos. These are effects that create smooth changes from one picture to the next. CapCut offers a variety of transition options which you can apply by inserting them between the photos on your timeline, enhancing the overall flow of your video. Once everything is looking perfect, it's time for a final review. Preview your video to make sure the images, transitions, and music are all working together nicely. If everything looks good to you, proceed by clicking on the Export button. This action will render your video, making it ready to share with friends, family, or online audiences. Just like that, you've created a memorable video in CapCut, blending your pictures and music to capture the moment beautifully.